will get this. One bagger, one green, PITC product percent. Search for Energy Pilipinas and Garcia, 2010.
Seven candidates, vitamin
Precision and Miss Grace Hart.
Good evening, ladies. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Dave Garcia. Good evening, Priscilla. Good evening, Grace. Well, wow, I think we have a lot of visitors tonight, and the crowd is excited, I guess. And to tell you the truth, you two are also both stunning and lovely. But I think for tonight's celebration is not about you two ladies, but about these 7 lovely candidates. So we'll wait for them and we'll see what will happen. Depends on what they do on the stage tonight.
That's right, Richard. So ladies and gents, once again, let's give them a round of applause, our outstanding candidates. Indeed, tonight is their all-out celebration of the beauty of the Philippines. Who will remain graceful under pressure? We will find out later on in the evening. Okay, so I will be giving you guys so you can announce our first award. Good luck, ladies.
Okay, thank you, Grace. By the way, Grace will be our anchor woman for the rest of the night. So definitely we'll see her later.
That's right, but for now, we're giving away the first set of minor awards.
So the first minor award for tonight is Miss Friendship. And this is an award personally chosen by these lovely candidates, who is the most congenial of all. And I think I have some envelope here. Miss Friendship goes to candidate number Joanna Marie Pagio. And
Candidate number 1. Miss Friendship will be presented by Miss Myra Hayek and Nancy Boswell. She will be receiving a cash and fake flowers. Congratulations.
thank you, presenters, and thank you, candidate number 1. Of course, the committee also had chosen, after their photo shoot with the famous Photo Lab in Design, then we kind of picked another minor award, which will be for the Miss Photogenic. Picture Perfect. Is candidate number 4, Merceline Francis.
Thank you, ladies. Now, the beginning Diego Garcia will be best distinguished from the following criteria. Beauty is 20%, poise and personality is 15%, intelligence 10%, overall impression is 5%, for a total of 50%. Of course, this is not just a beauty contest. So, the remaining 50% is from the popularity contest held